So welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to the market. So from the market, when I get home, I'm going to be doing this hair treatment oil that helped me to grow all my edges. I'm still going to put the picture here. And then I called someone to plait my hair. My edges were all chopped off. Like I was almost going bald in my edges. So I first of all made this oil, and then I saw the wonders it did. I even did for my mom, for my nieces, and all of that. And then it did wonders for my babies too. So I'm going to show you the step by step on how I was able to make this oil, and I hope it helps you too. So watch to the end to learn how I did it. And besides, I'm going to the market, so I'm going to take you through my day. So this is like a vlog about my day and how I made this oil. Okay, so stick around and watch to the end.
Now me be kick of eye, Baba Ibadan, stand 20.
I just got back home like a couple of hours ago. I just got back home and I'm going to go and make this oil. I planned on going to the market in what I said before, so but I couldn't even get to the market. I got so tired, I had headache, I couldn't even feel. So I just ended up getting bags of rice from this warehouse. You will even get to the market before you see where I bought my rice. And then I got just a few food stuff there, and then I went to my house, and with all that went on there, with all the stress, greeting a lot of people and all of that, I got so stressed up. I couldn't do anything. I couldn't even go to the market I planned on going to, but probably I'll go next time. And so I came back home. So I'm just going to go now and make this oil and show you how it's done. I'll just freshen up and then go and do this oil. So guys, for the hair oil, these are all the herbs I'll be needing for it. The first one here is the hibiscus leaf, and this here is the rosemary leaf. This one is the black seed. These are the cloves. These are tea tree oil, and this is the carrier oil. I'll be using coconut oil and then olive oil. And this is my fenugreek. I want to go ahead and blend it so that I'll be using the powdered fenugreek for it for better infusion. So here I'll just go ahead and mix all of them together. First of all, I will start by adding my oil. I'm using 2 cups of it, and then I'll add the coconut oil and add in all the herbs. once I'm done mixing it together, I'm just going to keep it for as long as possible, at least 5 days, and then I'm going to strain it and then add like 2 drops of the tea tree oil, and then it's ready for use.